Hi everyone, it's Nicole and today is my birthday. Whoop whoop! And to celebrate my 53rd birthday, I'm putting all my classes at 53% off. For 53 hours, sale starts today at noon and will end Saturday at 5 p.m. Here are just a few of my 13 now available classes. 2-page spread that comes with sketches, the love of shapes, circles, where we're going to do a ton of layouts using circles. The 2-for-1 class, which includes For the Love of the Collection, where we create tons of layouts using one collection, and Love Your Scraps, where we give our scraps a second chance. Focus on 6x6, where we use our 6x6 pattern paper pads and make some layouts. Then I have 3 scrapathons, so scrapathon 1, 2, and 3, and each of the classes have at least 30 challenge, so that's 30 pages per class. And Be Inspired, where we talk and complete layouts using inspiration around us. And also I have a demystifying clustering class, just to name a few. I would also like to mention that the 53% off will be applied at checkout. I want to thank you so much for all your support. This means the world to me, and my motto is still the same as it was 6 years ago: helping save lives by day and memories by night.